Hello everyone, hello Uganda, hello Africa and the rest of the world. Ibrahim Mukasa is my name. Iranga wanwetuli, like I've been telling you always, in Africa 1 tour was on travel. Etwala Abaana okulambula in the US. This is our first team. Iranga bagenda flagging off. I have my good friends here. This is Mr. Semakula. How are you, Semakula?
Fine.
Come closer to me. How are you?
I'm fine.
What's your name?
Ariana Salma Semakula.
You're good. How old are you?
I'm 9.
You're 9. Okay. Can you tell us what do you expect in America?
Okay, I expect to see Disneyland, and
Okay.
I've been seeing Disneyland on movies, cartoons. Now I want to meet it in real life.
Okay.
And I expect it to be a lot of fun. I
Good.
want to see Orlando, Washington.
Good.
And firstly of all, I thank my parents for paying for that trip.
That
and
is
for everything
great.
they have done.
Good. Let me have Mr. Mukalas. You come. How are you? Mukalas onuka. You sit here. You sit here. How are you?
Fine.
You speak louder.
Fine.
What's your name?
Yes, from class.
Mukalas who? Jason Mukalas. How old are you?
I'm 6 years old.
6 years. Where are you going?
America.
You're going to America.
Yes.
What are you going to do in America?
Watch cartoons and enjoy life.
You're going to enjoy life and watch cartoons.
Yes.
What is your favorite cartoon?
Teen Titans.
What?
Teen Titans.
Wow, that is very good. So, what's the name of mom and dad?
Different colors and leg.
Okay. Do you have any message for them? You don't have any message? Okay, thank you so much. Let me cross over here. How are you?
Okay.
What's your name?
Nathan Powers.
Hey, is he your brother? Wow, that's very good. How old are you?
11 years old.
Where are you going?
To America.
You're going to America. Is this the first time you're going to America or you've been there before?
The first time.
First time. What do you expect in America?
I expect to see my mother.
Okay.
I expect to see Disneyland.
Disneyland as well. Okay, let me have him. Hello. Speak louder. How are you?
I'm fine.
What's your name?
My name is Adrian David Mwesigo.
Adrian
Yes.
David Mwesgwa. How old are you?
I'm 8 years old.
8 years. Where are you going?
I'm going to America.
You're going to America. Is it the first time you're going to America or you've been there before?
It's the first time.
What do you expect in America?
I expect to see my father.
Okay.
And also have fun. And also eat yummy snacks.
Hey, you want to eat snacks, eh? Wow, that's great. What else?
And also visit the thing.
Okay.
And also visit Disney World because some of my siblings like watching Disney and I see some
Okay.
of it.
Okay. Thank you so much. Who else? Okay, let me have her. You come. What's your name? Speak louder. Mukasa. I'm also Ibrahim Mukasa. Do you know me?
Yes.
Okay, that's great. Where are you going?
USA.
USA. How old are you? 18 years. What are you going to do in the US?
I'm going to explore an adventure around the USA.
Okay. Have you been to the US before?
No.
No. This is your first time. Are you happy?
Yes.
Do you expect to have fun?
Of course.
That's great. Let me have the big man himself. How are you, brother?
Fine, thank you.
What's your name?
Majuru Alvin.
Alvin, how are you?
Fine, thank you.
How old are you?
16.
Which company is taking you to the US?
Africa 1.
Africa One is taking you to the US.
Yeah.
What do you expect?
I expect to visit Universal Studios
Okay.
to see the cast,
Okay.
how everything operates,
Okay.
how the green screen works.
Okay. Wow, that's great. Okay, this is the first time going to the US. My friend Mukalas and Mukalas, I wish you the best. What's your name?
Ira
Ira. Your second name?
Semakula.
Ira Semakula. Where are you going?
America.
You're going to America. Do you know the President of America? Okay, you'll get to know that when you reach there. Do you know the President of America? Okay. Okay, this is our first time bagenda mu US, like I've been telling you always, nti Africa One Tours and Travel etwala abaana okulambula. Of course tetwala abantu bakulu, but abaana okulambula. Waliwo ne trip y'abantu abakulu gye bayise the corporate egenda kubanga ejja maaso awo mujja kubanga mugitegeera nga mumanya biki bye mwetaaga okumanya. Timu yaffe nesookera ddala bagenda tonight, then timu eddako ejja kugenda olunaku olw'enkya. That is Africa One Tours and Travel, basangibwa Muyenga ku Catherine House. Tugenda kubanga tufuna omukyala CEO director atunnyonnyole enteekateeka ziri zitya, but before that, hello. How are you?
Fine.
Speak louder. How are you?
Fine.
What's your name?
Precious.
Precious. How old are you?
5 years.
5 years. Where are you going?
America.
You're going to America.
I see mommy.
Okay. What do you expect in America?
I see mommy. Watch the cartoon.
You want to watch cartoon? What else?
I will see the taps.
That's very good.
And
But if they tell you that you're not going, what do you what would you feel bad? Should you stay? You want to go?
yes,
When?
to America.
You want to go to America? You don't want to stay in Uganda?
Yes.
Okay, thank you so much. No, mubuze. Okay. How are you? How are you?
Fine.
What's your name?
Mlungi.
Oh, Mlungi Elisha Raphael. How old are you?
9 years.
9 years. Mugenda wa?
America.
Mugenda kolaki?
Enjoying.
Mugenda kwenjoyinga. Kati bwe bagamba nti temugenda mu bisazeemu oba mugenda omwaka ogujja.
Waba tugenda kulaba mama.
Okaaba? Ng'okaabira ki?
Sigenza.
Eh?
Sigenza.
Bwe bagamba nti temugenda ng'okaaba, kaabamu tulabe. Okay, let me stand here. Tukwanirizaako, naffe tukwanirizaako, nawe bali kutwanirizaako. Eno ye tiimu yaffe esookedde ddala tubadde tujja tulanga nga tunnyonnyola abantu nti Africa One Tours and Travel etwala abaana okulambula. Africa One Tours and Travel etwala abantu okugenda Egypt ne Israel. That is the Holy Tour. Mukola bingi nnyo. Tusooke tutunuulire group yaffe nesookedde ddala enteekateeka ziri zitya, bagenda kutambula batya, batuukirawa.
Okay, thank you very much. Thanks okubeera wano naawe this evening.
Yeah.
Munsikirize to mix my English.
That is great.
Yes. Now, enteekateeka, as you have asked, our preparations, today is our first group. The
Yeah.
group was very big, so they had to split it.
Yeah.
We are going to go through Cairo. We are a group of over 75 people. Tomorrow is going to be the biggest group that you're going to be able to see.
Yeah.
And we are all going to assemble in Cairo. The first group is going to go today and wait in Cairo. They will spend a night and enjoy. They'll check into a hotel, go visit Egypt, have a look at what is in Egypt. That's
The pyramids
advantage,
and
the
whatever.
pyramids and everything.
Yeah.
Then for us who will go tomorrow, we shall meet them there and then we shall connect to Washington.
Okay.
So from Washington, we shall tour Washington, then we shall go all the way down to Orlando, which is in the state of Florida.
Okay.
And then that's where the whole program will unfold.
The whole trip is taking how long?
2 weeks.
2 weeks.
Yes.
Okay, thank you so much. Remember, it is Africa One Tours and Travel located at Catherine House, Muyenga, 2nd floor. What else do you have to share with the public out there?
I just have to say thank you. First of all, I need to say thank you to the parents.
Yeah.
It's a big commitment, a big sacrifice to expose our children. So first, I want to say thank you for all our dear clients who are parents, the schools we are working with, the churches we work with who are announcing. And I also want to say thank you to Extradigest. You have done
A pleasure,
job,
pleasure. Thank you
especially
so
in the
much.
diaspora. We
Yeah.
have so many clients.
Yeah.
And above all, I want to say thank you, God. So all the rest, we shall start from there as we begin our journey. We shall be unfolding so many things.
Okay.
Thank you.
Wow. Mukalas.
Go.
Mukalas, you come this side. Come in front.
Come. Okay.
Wow. Mukalas, you read for me this word. This is? Wow. Okay, this is it. Africa One Tours and Travel, USA. Kino kye tuzze tubanyonyola always nti eno trip ebeerawo buli mwaka.
Yes.
Okay.
Actually, this year we have two.
Okay.
We have one in December and one in January.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay, there you go. Thank you so much, Africa One Tours and Travel. See you.